I always do the ECN. It's a real great group of people. I think it's a place where we can talk about and learn about issues related to insect collections that don't fit as nicely into the standard symposia. And there are a group of people who show up at ECN that don't necessarily attend the big ESA, although many of our members do. Databasing, digitizing, the research funding capacities for museums, and how to promote natural history collections and particularly insect collections, so that they're both cared for, up-to-date information on how to care for them, and that they'll continue on in the future. So that's really what I get out of the ECN. There are huge swaths of research, and they are the embodiment of a huge amount of knowledge that otherwise we couldn't access, and so they basically serve as a foundation for all of the biodiversity and nomenclature that is at the heart of biological sciences today. And even though people have begun to focus really heavily on kind of molecular and cellular biology as kind of the new age of genomics, they're beginning to recognize still that we are still vital. Not only are those specimens important for understanding what those genes correspond to phenotypically, but they are little vessels of genetic material from sometimes now extinct organisms.
I study the systematics of water beetles. I attended ECN because I am really interested in collections management, and I'm interested in databasing, and this is the place to learn about all of those things. For systematics research, it's important because that's where all the specimens reside, but it's also important for biological control, learning which species is which and what they feed on. There's just a whole lot of information contained in an entomological collection.